Okay, everybody, welcome back. So today we're doing the follow-up video on our washing machine. This is our new washing machine. I can't remember, it's called the LG. I think it's 5.2 capacity washer. And today we're doing a full load of towels. So here is the control panel. You can choose any options you want. And then under here, you have an estimated time and option settings. And then you should tag on when it's free. So let me start at the bottom. So at the bottom, I think it looks like stainless steel. And at the side, it looks like stainless steel. That's the right side. And on the left side, this looks like painted like stainless steel. And then at the back, it's also stainless steel. And then, let me show you in the tub. A weekly ago, there is some agitator in there. And then how to provide how it spins, looks like. You can take a look around. This looks like metal or something. There's holes, so we'll let it drain. And then at the side, there is some holes. So let it drain out. It's metal, I think. And then how to do it. So let me go get some towels. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. We got some white towels. Those are white cotton towels. So how do we wash it? We use warm water. And because the lines doesn't want to rip off. See, there's a very white cotton towels. And then over here next is the liquid detergent soap container. And then this is a fabric softener, the softener and softener section. And then this here, this is where the spray comes after rinse. And then this is a bleach. Over here, liquid bleach only. And then max fill tea, 1 cup. And then over here, there is some, like, where is that water? Oh, there we go. Right by the motor. So I'm going to do is, I'm going to pour some soap, a little soap. And we'll begin. Oh, I forget something. So if you put some powder in, we remove this tray, and if you want to put powder in, you gotta remove this tray. But if I'm gonna put it back in, you're gonna put liquid in there. So I'll do that. So let me go get the soap. And then for the Tide Pod, we just only need to put it in there. So I have my Tide Pod in my hand, throw in a tub, and then let's close the detergent and we will set it up. Let me close the lid. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on. I know this is a very spiffy with those LEDs display. So here's the cycle, those estimated times, so you can choose any cycle if you want. There's normal, heavy duty, bedding, sanitary, allergen, whites, tub clean. And then I'm going back to normal, pre-wash, primer pressed, waterproof, delicates, towels, speed wash, and downloaded. So I'm going to select it on towels. This is going to be an hour and 12 minutes. And then I'm washing the dish towels. There's a mornously long. So I'll tell you one in a moment. If I'm switching over to sanitary cycle, that one, the sanitary cycle is 2 hours and 56 minutes. But it's not even the worst one. If you put this on allergen cycle, that one is 3 hours and 46 minutes. And the tub clean, I don't know why we need that. And then the bedding, we wash hot water and warm water. When I'm washing the bedding, we use bright whites. The bright whites is only like 1 hour 54. And then the tub clean, I don't know why we need that. 2 hours and 30 minutes. And the tub clean cycle, I don't know why I'm washing that because it's enormously long. Let's just forget about it. So we're going to switch it. We're going to put it on towel cycle. So the towel cycle, cold wash, I think it's enormously long. I don't know. We should try cold wash. Yeah, cold wash. Now we're in 21 minutes. So let me set up the tripod and we will start it. So here we go. Let's start it. So here's the start button. So we're going to see it from the sensing sign and the wash sign and rinse cycle. So here we go. And the door is locked. See the pink light? And I hit the hold the water plus button. It holds the child lock. See, it is pinkish. And then if I'm showing the whole washer, I can hear the sensing motor. Like I said, it's going to be an hour and 21 minutes on the cold wash. So like I said, I'm going to be coming back, and everybody have a great day. Goodbye.